All right, so this is my outbox. These are leads that I've recently sent to my clients. Motivated sellers who are looking to sell their properties. And these are good deals for my clients. Every single day, we're doing a lot of wholesaling, a lot of properties that people can add to their portfolios, flips, so on. This is what we're sending. You see at the top there, it says in my sent inbox or sent box, and then let's go through another page of this real quick. There they are. Every single day, my clients are getting a ton of properties sent to their inbox. They wake up and all of a sudden they have more properties to send offers and get those deals closed, get those properties purchased. So if you're interested in seeing your mailbox full with potential deals, let me know. All right. Thanks.